everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Dodge Motorhome, a vehicle designed to redefine road trips and long-haul adventures. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, this RV is packed with features to make life on the road more comfortable, efficient, and fun. Let's dive in. At first glance, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome commands attention with its sleek yet rugged design. Dodge has integrated an aerodynamic front end, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. You'll notice LED lighting all around, including signature DRLs and high-intensity headlights, perfect for night drives or setting up camp after dark. And check this out, a retractable awning with LED mood lighting, so your campsite setup is always on point. Storage is a big deal when you're living on the road, and Dodge delivers with multiple exterior compartments, perfect for camping gear, tools, and even a small generator. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how spacious and modern the 2025 Dodge Motorhome feels. Dodge has taken a minimalist yet highly functional approach to the interior, featuring premium soft-touch materials and smart storage solutions. The living area features a convertible sofa that doubles as extra sleeping space, a high-definition smart TV, and large panoramic windows for an open, airy feel. Plus, it's all climate-controlled with an advanced HVAC system that keeps things comfy in any season. For those who love to cook on the road, the fully equipped kitchen won't disappoint. We've got a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, full-size fridge, and even a compact dishwasher. And check out these countertops, solid surface with a beautiful finish, making meal prep a breeze. Of course, comfort is key in a motorhome, and Dodge has nailed it with a spacious bathroom featuring a walk-in shower, residential-style sink, and a water-saving toilet. The bedroom. Oh yeah, it's got a queen-size memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and USB charging ports on both sides. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome is powered by a robust 6.4L HEMI V8 engine, pushing out 410 horsepower and 429 lb-ft of torque, plenty to handle highways and mountain passes alike. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifting and optimal fuel efficiency. And for those who like a bit of off-grid adventure, an available all-wheel drive system ensures you can tackle dirt roads and inclement weather with confidence. Dodge has loaded the cockpit with tech that makes long drives more enjoyable. A 12-inch Uconnect infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium sound system make sure you're always connected and entertained. Plus, driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring keep you safe on the road. So, what do you think of the 2025 Dodge Motorhome? With its stylish design, high-tech interior, and powerful performance, it's built for modern travelers who don't want to compromise on comfort. Whether you're exploring national parks, tailgating at your favorite events, or embracing full-time RV living, this beast is ready for anything. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth vehicle reviews and travel content. Until next time, safe travels, and happy camping.